Welcome to my YouTube channel AI Cars Update. If you like my content, please subscribe and like my video. Now we start the video without wasting your precious time. Step into the future of automotive excellence with the 2024 Audi Q7, a vehicle that seamlessly combines cutting-edge technology and exquisite craftsmanship. Immerse yourself in the sheer elegance of this remarkable Q7. Not only distinguished by its imposing and robust exterior but also by the sheer joy it brings to every drive. This attractive vehicle goes beyond its outward appearance, delivering a driving experience that transcends the ordinary. The 2024 Audi Q7 is more than just a car, it's a testament to the fusion of form and function, offering your family the quality they truly deserve. As you embark on your journey with the Q7, you'll be greeted by a host of exceptional features that enhance both convenience and luxury. Revel in the expansive views provided by the panoramic roof, experience the ease of keyless entry, and navigate seamlessly with the advanced navigation system. The interior of the Q7 is a testament to sophistication, with power front seats, heated mirrors, and a wood grain interior trim contributing to an atmosphere of refined opulence. Fog lights and a backup camera ensure safety, while satellite radio adds entertainment to your travels. The Q7 doesn't just stop at aesthetics, it's a vehicle designed to cater to your every need. The power liftgate opens to reveal a spacious and versatile interior, where luxury meets significant capability. Every detail has been meticulously crafted to provide you with an unparalleled driving experience. Now, envision yourself behind the wheel of this premium Q7, navigating the roads with ease and style. Take it out for a test drive, and our professional staff eagerly awaits the opportunity to provide you with excellent service. The 2024 Audi Q7 is not just a vehicle, it's an embodiment of automotive excellence, waiting for you to discover its lure firsthand.